Hello guys. How we doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video, guys. Guys, I'm on Twitch as well. Casey Reacts is my Twitch name. So if you're into music or you have an artist that you have in mind that you guys want me to check out live, head over to Twitch. I've got so many talented people from all around the world. We come together, give each other songs or just react to people's musics and just give each other feedbacks and support each other. So if you're one of those people that wants to join, head over to Twitch, type in Casey Reacts, same as my YouTube channel, or just head over to my description. Everything will be there. So yeah, man. All right, guys, man. Today we're diving into another amazing track from Central Asia. This one's called Abjudlar by Ozoda. I know this song came out in 2019, has been a favorite for fans of the Uzbek pop music ever since. Let's hit play, see what makes it so powerful and check it out. So let's go.
Buvijon, men keldim.
Ona qizim kelding maktabdan. Men hozir narsalarimni yig'ishtirib olay, uyga ketamiz, xo'pmi?
Xo'p. Buvijon, aytishlaricha bizning tariximiz juda uzoq yillarga borib taqalar ekan-a?
Ha qizim. Bilsang, bobokalonlarimizdek buyuk allomalar hech qayerda yo'q.
Bilaman, buvijon. Amir Temur, Temur Malik,
Ha?
Bibi xonim, Tomariz, Jaloliddin Manguberdi, Bobur Mirzo. Buvijon, men buyuk ajdodlarimizni tarixi haqida bilishni juda ham istayman. Gapirib bering.
Voy ona qizim-ey, qiziqasanmi?
Tomarizdek dovyurak, vatanparvar bo'lishni istayman, buvijon.
Xo'p. Aytib beraman. Yur. Malika Tomariz jasorati ikki daryo atrofi va oralig'ida yashovchi xalqlar tarixida o'chmas iz qoldirgan. Tomariz o'z yurtini qullikdan qutqargan dovyurak, jasoratli, vatanparvar bo'lgan.
Hikmat so'ylayotgan azim chinor yaprog'idir. Mozilardan sado bergan to'lqin titrog'idir. Tinglang, hikmat so'ylayotgan azim chinor yaprog'idir. Mozilardan sado bergan to'lqin titrog'idir. Bu Temurbek tug'yonidir, Temur Malikning oxidir. Tomarizning surog'idir, hamshiroqning nigohidir. Belni bog'lar chog'idir bu, o'zni chog'lar chog'idir. Ko'kka boqsang bibi xonim, surati ko'z oldida. Yerga boqsang saylik, turbati ko'z oldida. Kunga boqsang Boburiyning shiddati ko'z oldida.
Wow, already listen, there's something very warm and soulful about her voice, man. It's confident but not overdone. You can tell, she's singing with intention. That already pulls you in straight away. But wow, this is good so far.
Oyga boqsang yuzlarida, orzu umidlarda qidir. O'zbek degan noming bor, g'ururing bor, oring bor. Beshigingda Tomariz, har uyda boburing bor. O'zbek degan noming bor, g'ururing bor, oring bor. Beshigingda Tomariz, har uyda boburing bor. oid bo'lar toy chog'laring ham toy bo'lar maysalar bug'doy bo'lar bug'doylaring shirmoy bo'lar 15 deganda oy to'lar toy chog'laring ham toy bo'lar maysalar bug'doy bo'lar bug'doylaring shirmoy bo'lar jilg'a uyg'onsa agar 15 deguncha soy bo'lar senga kuch bergan bobolar hoki tuprog'idir belni bog'lash chog'idir bu o'zni chog'lash chog'idir davralarning to'ri senga muntazir sen haqlisan Allohning suyugisan avliyolar ahlisan baxtli bo'lsa bir bo'ling yakdil bo'lib baxtlisan ulug' zot bayrog'idir oriyat belbog'idir o'zbek degan noming bor g'ururing bor oring bor beshigingda to'maris har uyda boburing bor o'zbek degan noming bor g'ururing bor oring bor beshigingda to'maris har uyda boburing bor
Oh, my days. I was just starting to enjoy that as well. And then the ad comes in. Jesus Christ. Oh, man. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Bu Temurbek tug'yonidir Temur Malikning ohidir To'marisning surog'idir Hamshiroqning nigohidir Belni bog'lash chog'idir bu O'zni chog'lash chog'idir O'zbek degan noming bor g'ururing bor oring bor har beshikda to'maris har uyda boburing bor O'zbek degan noming bor g'ururing bor oring bor beshigingda to'maris har uyda boburing bor har beshikda to'maris har uyda boburing bor
Bizning havas qilsa arziydigan buyuk tariximiz bor.
I think that's it. Isn't it?
Havas qilsa arziydigan ulug' ajdodlarimiz bor.
I think that's it. I don't know what that else means. Okay, cool. All right, guys, man. For me, this song is that was solid. Solid, man. It's just a musical piece with roots. You know, her voice, you know, on top of those symbolic lyrics, it becomes very powerful in a way that's both emotional and culturally rich. She's not just singing about love or heartbreak. She's obviously singing about identity and heritage. That's something universal no matter where you're from. So, but yeah, that was good, man. Enjoyed it, man. That was really nice. Something different to what I usually listen to. But overall, she has a beautiful mix of melody, culture, history, emotion. It made me slow down and really listen, you know. not just the music, but the story behind it. If you feel that too, let me know in the comments what hit you the hardest. Yeah, guys, if you want me to do more reaction like this, whether it's from Uzbekistan, Turkey, or anywhere else, drop it a suggestion below. I love discovering new music with you guys. Yeah, just let me know. You know what I mean? Apart from that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If you haven't already, go follow me on Twitch, KC Reacts. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and peace out, guys.